Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm excited to share a new DePin airdrop called Ping Network. Ping Network is basically a VPN service which launched their airdrop campaign and is available for Chrome extension, Android and iOS devices. You can see more details on their website. Right. So as you can see, their funding details are not disclosed yet, but it's a confirmed airdrop, which is great. If you look at their investors, here are some well-known names backing them. If you visit their X handle, as you can see, they're around 55k followers right now. So we're joining very early in this project. Also, they are active here to build a strong community, which is another positive sign. If you want the latest updates related to crypto and airdrops, then you can join our Telegram channel. I'll provide the link in the description, so check it out. Joining process is very simple for this project. I'll provide the link in the description. Simply click that link and you'll land on this page. So as you can see, you can use this on your Chrome, Android and iOS. So the joining process is the same. So here I'll choose Chrome extension. Here is the extension and it already has 30,000 users. So download and install the extension. And after that, open the extension. Now click continue and then agree and continue. Here click on the settings, then click on login, and here you need to sign up using your email. So click continue with email. Put your email and click continue. Now you need to verify. So check your email, copy the code and then paste it here and click continue. Now if it asks for a referral code, you can use my code to get 50 points for free. I'll provide the link in the description. Now click claim bonus. Then got it. Click next. Then again got it and get back to farming. As you can see, the registration is done and I'll get 50 points. Now click on this VPN section. And here you need to tap to run the VPN. So wait a bit. And as you can see, it's connected. So you need to keep this open to earn points. So keep in mind, if you farm different projects like Grass, NotPay or others, then it's a good idea to keep this running in a different browser or with a different Chrome sign-in email. Here, as you can see, season 1 is running and they set their goal for participants. Finally, you can share your referral code with friends to boost earnings. And I'll give you all the updates, so make sure to join our Telegram channel. And if you found this video helpful, then hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. See you in the next one.
Goodbye.